Hey guys, this is Srikar here, and in this module, I'm going to tell you about Trojan horses on the web. The word Trojan horse reminds us the movie Troy, in which Odysseus of the Greeks tricked the people of Troy with a gift that actually would lead to their demise. In the same way, Trojan horses on the web also work. So let's get started. Let's get into its definition. A Trojan horse is a piece of software which allows the user think that it does a certain job, but internally it does a completely different job, which would result in the damage of the system. Let's see how a Trojan horse works. Some user trying to execute Trojan horse would begin by disguising their software as beneficial software, which then is distributed by email or links. See how the users are then fooled into downloading the disguised software, which then corrupts user or his computer. Attackers' goal during the course of this operation includes encrypting files, data harvesting, erasing and overwriting data, making screenshots, taking control of user's computer, etc. Let's see what a keylogger is. This is a kind of Trojan which monitors the keystrokes on a keyboard and sends them back to a foreign location. Often, these are used in identifying theft crimes, like in case of a bank account numbers, ATM pins, etc. This can be avoided to a certain extent by using virtual or on-screen keyboards while using an official bank website. See, here is an example of how to avoid keylogging. See, a virtual keyboard is being used in this example. Let's see the consequences to the user. Reduction of system performance, permanent damage to hardware, financial loss to corporations, increase in spam, etc. are some of the consequences. Let's see what are the differences between a Trojan horse and other computer attacks. Viruses attach themselves to legitimate previously installed software require a human action to infect the system. But Trojan horse doesn't need that. A worm have the ability to self-replicate and spread from machine to machine without the need of a human interaction. Let's see what are some of the major attacks due to Trojan horse. In 2000, Bill Gates' Microsoft operating system suffered a major attack from Trojan horses when they discovered a security error in the Microsoft operating system. The Notepad application was infected, and Trojan spread itself through the network to affect computers that were connected to it. This allowed access to source code for the hackers. The worst part in it was the Trojans also rewrote the system registry so that whenever the system rebooted, the Trojans is reloaded back to the system. Here are some of the examples of Trojan horses. Let's see how can this be prevented. By using antivirus or anti-Trojan software, we can prevent Trojan horse attacks. And by monitoring the sites and files you visit and use is one of the preventive measures. So I conclude by saying that Trojan horse can be used to steal an individual's identity. So be aware of what you upload and download from malicious websites. Thank you.